Hi guys and welcome back on my YouTube channel. In this video I will unbox my new AirPods Pro 3rd generation. So the box looks fairly standard, it's pretty similar to the AirPods Pro 1st generation. By the way, I have been using the AirPods Pro for about 3 years. This is my 1st generation, the original AirPods Pro, and now finally it's time to update my old AirPods Pro 1st generation. That's why I decided to buy the latest 3rd generation. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. Unfortunately, there is no USB-C cable included because this is the new Apple policy. They are no longer giving you the USB-C charging cable, but whatever. The box looks fairly standard. It has a simple description, AirPods Pro, blah blah. So let's open it. You have to pull this tab. First one, the second one. I really like the Apple unboxing experience. It always feels pretty special, you know, opening these AirPods Pro. It's like, I like this moment. And the box is like, this is a standard Apple box designed by Apple in California. Let's open this thing, AirPods Pro. It has some technical specifications. Big news with AirPods Pro 3rd generation, Apple is giving you 5 different ear tips, so extra small, small, medium, large and extra large, so everyone will be able to find the perfect fit. In the box you have the case with AirPods and of course your ear tips. So you have 4 different sizes available here in this little box, and you have the regular medium already installed on the AirPods. I think it's a good change because, you know, everyone is different, so everyone will be able to test different ear tips and find the perfect fit. Also, a big difference between the 1st generation and the 3rd generation is the foam material used for the ear tips, so it should be better, more comfortable, and hopefully it will offer you a better noise cancellation. So as you can see, I have added a custom engraving to my case, very original, my name and my surname. This is the first time that I decided to add a custom engraving to my Apple product, because why not? It's for free, so I decided to add my name and my surname. It's gonna be easier to differentiate between my old AirPods Pro and my new AirPods Pro. It's kinda cool, I like it. The case looks pretty the same. It's a little bit different because it's a little bit bigger and probably wider. It has a USB-C instead of Lightning. It has a small speaker, you know, all the latest features as the AirPods Pro, but it's not the same size. It's similar, but not the same. Alright, so let's open the case and see the new AirPods Pro 3rd generation. So no revolution here. It looks pretty much the same. They slightly tweaked the design. It's a little bit different. It has a new heart rate sensor. It has up to 4 times better noise cancelling feature. It has slightly better battery life, and you know, it's a new AirPods Pro. So if you have been using the 1st generation, really, it will be a huge difference. It will be a huge change. Really, by the 3rd generation, you will be fully satisfied. I have been testing them for about a day now, and I can tell you that there is really a huge difference between the 1st generation and the 3rd generation. I'm really fully satisfied with my purchase. In this new 3rd generation of AirPods Pro, Apple also updated the microphones, so your voice will sound even better when you will be making phone calls using your AirPods Pro 3rd generation. Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Peace.